Hello all, welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always watching our videos, coming back, watching, liking, commenting and sharing our videos. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these side stools that I'm going to be making for my client. She wanted this design, and that is what I'm going to be doing in this video today. So as you can see on the screen, I've already prepared the pieces of metal that I'm going to be using, because for this the way I'm going to be using pieces of metal, pieces of wood and some paint. So stay tuned. Now here, as you can see, I've already did spray paint the pieces of these frames gold, and I usually use a machine, and I use acrylic based paints for this job. So now they have dried, so the remaining part is just assembling them and also covering the pieces of wood that I already did cut circles of 15 inches of diameter. I'm going to be covering them using this Formica, and I'll be using contact glue as usual. If you have been following on my videos, I've been using this quick fix contact glue to fix my items. So for this one, I've already applied the contact glue, so now I'm just going to be attaching the Formica on top of these pieces of wood. I've already told you it has a diameter of 15 inches. So after that, I'm going to be attaching it to the frame, but we'll see that as the video goes by. Kindly consider subscribing to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos like this and more. And if this is the kind of content that you like, you can visit our channel, watch more of our content, and don't forget to like, comment and sharing. And nowadays I usually use this machine. It's a router machine to cut off the excess Formica from the board, as you can see on the screen. And if you don't have this machine, you can use a metallic object to cut off the excess. Usually it's nice, or it's advisable to use this Formica in excess so that you can come and trim it or trace it so that it can flush very well with the piece of wood or board that you are using in your DIY. So for this one, I've just did use this router machine. Now here, instead of using lipping tape or paint to cover the sides of this board, I'm going to be using this ring that I've made using a metal, as you can see, and I'm going to be fitting it to this board so that it can bring out exact design that I was sent to. But you will see what I'm talking about in the final reveal, so keep watching the video.